This is Darius from therabbitpad.com, and in this video, I'm going to show you how you can separate first and last names in Google Sheets. Here I have a spreadsheet with a list of names, and suppose I want to separate them all. You don't need to start typing all of the names separately like this. That would just be a waste of time. What you can do is you can use the split columns feature. So what you do is you highlight the cells whose names or data that you want to separate, then click Data, then click Split Text to Columns. At the bottom of your highlighted cells, you'll see this box that says Separator. Sometimes Google Sheets will detect what it thinks you want to do and will automatically separate them. Other times you'll have to do it yourself. I want Google Sheets to separate this based on a space. So anytime it sees a space, it will separate the words. So click this box, then click space. When you do that, the cells are separated. But what if you have a list where the names are listed last name, comma, first name? You can do that same thing by clicking all of the cells that you want to change, then going to Data, then clicking Split Text to Columns. And in this case, it does detect what it thinks you want to do automatically. But if what Google Sheets did was wrong, all you have to do is click the box and then set your parameters. So let's say you wanted it to be separated by a semicolon. When you do that, it would go back to the original format because there's no semicolon there to separate. But you want this separated using the comma. And when you click that or detect automatically in this case, the rows or the columns are separated so that the first names are in one column, the last names are in one column, and then from there you can sort them, you can add fancy formatting and all of that good stuff. So this video shows you how to separate first and last names in a spreadsheet in Google Sheets. If you found this video helpful, please click that like button and subscribe to this channel to view more helpful videos in the future. Also, please be sure to visit my website at therabbitpad.com.